As far as we know about this universe, we have come to a point where we can admit that fundamentally there lies strings of energy which are giving rise to all the particles. So we know about quantum physics, right? What is quantum physics saying? Matter is not matter. It appears like matter, but actually it is a wave. So we have to look at universe like this, that this universe appears to be matter, but fundamentally it is wave. So what is this thing that is giving rise to this universe? And also this universe appears to us as matter, while in other experiments such as Young's double slit experiment and others, maybe it is showing like waveform. Why? So we need to question observer here. The question should be on observer. What is the defect in observer that is causing this wavy universe to appear like the matter? Because as from our experience, we know that this universe is not always in this form which we see. Sometimes it is in matter form, but sometimes it is in wave form. This is from our experience. This universe changes its forms, which we call as illusions or Maya. This universe can shift from one form to another, like we have seen in Young's double slit experiment. That is also a demonstration where universe is behaving like it is actually something else. It is just that it is behaving as we want to see it, because our past conditioning, our beliefs, ideas, and our mental structure and body structure is made like this, that universe appears to us in a certain way. But from other perspective, maybe aliens see universe different because they have different sense organs and perceptive organs. Even an insect sees universe in a different way. So universe is depending on how we see it. If we change the way to how we see the universe appears differently. And Young's double slit experiment is also showing this. So we need to question, because the main agenda of science is to question to the point where reality, the fundamental reality, begins to appear, and there is no more questioning after that, because fundamental reality is something which connects everything. So we need to question that what is that fundamental reality, or we need to explore to the point where we find it. If we find it outside, it is also inside. So better way is to find inside. So inside there is a substance which I have talked in my previous videos, but those are in Hindi. So I'm talking in English now. That's why I can reach the more and more people outside of this nation also. So there is something called as sound of silence. You can do research on it. A YouTuber, Sandeep Maheshwari, has done a research on it, that there is something called as sound of silence, which is just a given name to it. Fundamentally, he is talking about a frequency which is within us, which is creating this universe, because that fundamental frequency is within me, experienced by many people all around the world. So that fundamental frequency of universe, which is same in everybody experience, you can also experience it by closing your eyes, ears. You can close your all the sense organs, then also you can experience it. That is a vibration, a roar within us, which has certain properties. You can study it. There are many shastras written about its properties, but nobody is knowing what that actual thing is. So you have to know it by your experience first. Then you will study about it. Also, you can write your own shastra about it by experiencing it, and it holds many properties. Is there anybody which is experiencing the same reality which I am experiencing now? By closing my all the sense organs and focusing inside, there is something constant vibrating inside me. This is accessible to all the human beings on this world. Anybody can experience it in this world.
तेरा सब कुछ मिटा देगा, तू तो चीज क्या है, ये तेरी राख तक को जला देगा.
पर इस लाइन से अगर तुम डरते हो तो तुम खुद से भी डरते हो. जब खुद से ही डरते हो तो सामना किसका करोगे? This is my gratitude towards him.